Hi guys, today I'm going to do this very quick everyday makeup look. It's kind of just the same look pretty much all the time, like nice bronzed glow, big lashes, nude lips, kind of like peachy tones, but just using some different products that I've been using over the last few weeks. So I just thought I'd share my everyday makeup look with you because lots of people have been requesting it. Okay, so I have got all my skincare done. Start with my primer. So I'm going to use the Dior Backstage primer. So I let that sink in for about 60 seconds, 2 minutes if I can. Well, stick to it so then your makeup can stick. So just before I apply my Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow, I'm going to apply this flawless filter, which I realised I probably should have used in my dewy makeup tutorial, because it just makes your skin so nice and like dewy and gives you that like Instagram filter. I'm just going to use my hands again to rub this in. Just because I have had a bit of breakout, I've got some marks and stuff on my face, I am going to use something with a little bit of a tint. So I'm going to use this Charlotte Tilbury Healthy Glow, and it literally gives you the tiniest bit of tint. I mean, if I was going out, I'd probably use something with a bit more coverage. This comes out grey, but as soon as the product has contact with your skin, you start rubbing it, it basically just adjusts to your skin tone and just blurs out any imperfections. And I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender, just tap, 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 tap. Just like to add some of this iconic Prep Set Glow. Just going to take a bit of eyeshadow primer. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Gardening work, roadworks, and like building going on next door, like all the sounds. I'm just using the Naked Reloaded palette. But kind of like any bronzy peachy shades will do. This is like my everyday makeup look. So what I do is I take this like peachy shade, which is called Retro, and I just concentrate on the outer corners of my eyes. This is like just a makeup look I like to do every day. I just think these peach tones like just look really nice, brighten up your face, lovely for summer. Then I take this bronze shade here, which is called Boundaries, and it's literally just, I'm just going to press that onto my lid. It's literally just a bronze shade, so you can use any bronzer. From home, I skip liquid eyeliner, and I just take like a black kohl liner, put it into my waterline. Again, this is just to define the eyes. Especially if you are going out and about in public and you're wearing a mask which basically covers most of your face, you need to do a bit of eye flirting, a bit of colour corrector. So I'm using this Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting palette. I'm just taking orange from here, just into kind of like a brush. And I'm just going to cover up the dark. Obviously you can skip this step, but if you don't have dark circles, you're just to blend that in. The orange just counteracts the darkness. If you can see, it's already made a difference before we even apply concealer. So I'm going to do my concealer and eye cream mixing trick. So I'm going to take the Embryolis eye cream just onto the back of my hand, get about that much, and then one dip of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and then I'm literally just mixing it here on the back of my hand, and just apply to dark areas. I'm just going to take whatever's left on the wand on the back of my hand and just cover up any blemishes, blemish marks I've got. Also going to take a bit of this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer around the outside of this upside down triangle, just so I use this one for brightening. Now I'm going to take damp beauty blender and blend all of that in. Cream blush, and I'm just taking this one from Bobbi Brown. Then for my brows, really straightforward. One product, Safe and Glory Brow Archery in dark brown. And I just fill in where there's any gaps and maybe just define them, but I don't overdraw my brows. I just like to keep my brows really, really simple. Still haven't managed to get them done, so my brows have literally not been done in over 4 months. Normally I get, so can you see the difference? I haven't overdrawn them or anything, that's just by kind of like filling in any gaps and just defining. Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. The great thing about this, especially in the summer, is that this is like sweat-proof, waterproof. So your under eye concealer, whatever makeup you set with this, will stay put. Right, next I'm just going to do a bit of contour. So I'm going to take that same Makeup Forever palette and very lightly contour. So again, start off cream, and then I'll go over it with powder. Take this Smashbox Cali Contour palette. Just going to take the powder matte brown shade, really blending it so you don't have like a harsh contour line. More lighter powder, and just literally powder my T-zone. Okay, then I use this powder. This is the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder. I used this in my glowy makeup tutorial, but I just love the way this kind of like takes away the shine, gives you a bit of glow. Then onto bronzer. So normally I would do like liquid bronze or cream bronze, but because this is kind of just like a quick everyday Zoom call, whatever it is kind of look, just going to take the Becca Sunlit Bronzer, which is a great bronzer, and I just go into my hairline and just going over my contour, brush it over the bridge of my nose. To define my eyes a little bit more before I apply mascara, I'm just going to take darkest brown shade and like a small angled brush like this, and then literally just from the top of my lashes, just on the outside corners, I just go on top and then underneath my lashes. And this just exaggerates that kind of like almond shape to your eyes. If you don't have almond shaped eyes, it will kind of give you a bit of an almond shape to your eyes. It just defines like the outer corners. Just take a little bit of highlight, so I'm just going to take like a highlight shade from this palette, but you can use highlighter as well, and just go in your inner corners, just there. Something you've obviously seen me do so many times, because I do this with every makeup look, but I just like doing it for an everyday. It just makes your eyes pop a little bit, and just sparkle when you're on video calls. Mascara, so I'm just using the Safe and Glory Thick and Fast Mascara. What I do is take a little bit of blush. I'm just going to take this blusher shade. It's just like a really nice warm peachy bronzy blusher shade from this same contour palette. That's what I basically have been doing. And I'll just go from the apples of my cheeks upwards, and I'm just kind of pressing in, tapping it on. The Becca highlight in rose gold. Love this highlight, so just going at the highest points of my cheekbones. So you're just exaggerating the plumpness of your cheeks if you just take your highlight down to there. And for lips, I always use my Provoque lip liner, so I'm just going to add that. Then for change, just because it feels more hydrating when you're at home anyway, when you're working from home, and I can run to the bathroom as many times as I want to reapply it because I'm at home. Iconic lip gloss. This is the shade Peekaboo. It just feels so nice and hydrating on your lips. I just feel like gloss just looks nicer on video calls and stuff like that anyway. I've completely set my makeup. I'm going to take the iconic Prep, Set and Glow, just throw all over. I really hope you like this look. Comment below, let me know what your everyday favourites are, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!